Hello, my name is Judy Williams on behalf of Expert Village, and today we're talking about different ways to decorate your living room on a budget. Accessories make a room. I love baskets, but I don't like cheap looking baskets. I found this particular basket at a church garage sale. It's large, I have a lot of magazines, I need a way to organize them. And this basket blends with my color scheme and provides a good place to store magazines. And the magazines will provide color as well to the space. I keep this basket right here. That way it's easily acceptable to my family or to guests when they're here. The other thing that I like, you'll notice in these shelves I've added some boxes. I use this for storage. I need storage space. But it also picked up my colors and helped the colors to flow up into these shelves. You'll notice that this is an old lampshade. Again, it repeats my colors in a softer shading, and I've just put it in a very inexpensive oriental stand. Oriental stands are excellent accents for 18th century. I have vases that repeat, and then I use books to repeat.